السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning everyone. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا بالجميع. وفيديو تاني النهاردة الأكواريوم. Today we are making video in front of the Dubai Aquarium. I will come to you very close. You can see how big is the aquarium screen. It's more than 400 screens gathered all in one unit. So I will show you now about how big is the aquarium. You see, we're still showing all the screen. This is the biggest OLED screen in the world with Guinness record about it. And we are here. I am walking until coming. I have to shoot it from afar so you can see when Onpassive will come. Let me wider. You see? Okay, you see here how it is big. This aquarium screen. This is all advertisement and showing you Burj Khalifa, different advertisement. It's big. This is one of the displays, Burj Khalifa. So every 5 minutes, we will be here. You see the number of screens? The biggest screens in the world. It's all synchronized together. Largest high definition video wall, 1.6 billion pixel. This is all for the screen Burj Khalifa. You see, Guinness record for the highest resolution video, 50 meters wide, 14 meters height. So you can see how big we are and how big the screen. It's beautiful. And celebrations here. I am taking you live for all of this. You will see now when we will come to this is continuous advertisement. اعلانات بصورة مستمرة عن حاجات مختلفة. Okay, Dubai Ice Rink, Dubai Aquarium. I am live here in front of it, waiting for our show, which else will be 15 seconds. Every 5 minutes, it will come for 15 seconds. And you will be amazed about it. So we are very proud about it here. You see, of course, Dubai Mall, we are in Ramadan. This now it's quiet, the movement after iftar. It's becoming very crowded. And the paradigm shift, future of the internet. You'll all what we are saying. We are so in it on passive. Did you see it? This is our show, then coming Burj Khalifa. Oh my God. It's a historical moment here. أعتقد كده الأمور حلوة. شفنا الأكواريوم، أدي هي الشاشة ورايا. شايفين قد إيه كبيرة؟ واخدة من الكورنر للكورنر. It's taken from the corner to the corner. Okay. The biggest high definition screen in the world. أعتقد كان فيديو حلو النهاردة. شفتوا احنا موجودين فين. طبعا الحاجات دي كلها هنصورها لكم بصورة احترافية. All these records, all these videos will be taken in a very professional way and will send it to all over the world. So happy Ramadan, good morning, and I believe this is phenomenal. Thank you very much for all your watching, and every day we'll have some surprises with you. Thank you. See you at the very, very top. Thank you very much.